Your left. 3.
Hold on.
You can open and discover. Sometimes you get surprises like this. 3, 2, 1, running.
Sometimes you get surprises like that. So look, this is just messy. It's not dirty. If there were roaches in here and things, we're not moving it. Folks, just so you know, we'll pack this up. But if there are rodents, roaches, bed bugs, anything like that, the move stops. If we found bed bugs in a property, even remnants of bed bugs, we stop right there and everything that from that room comes off and we're done. Because here's the deal. If we move somebody and they have bed bugs, goes in a pad, goes under a truck, the pad and those bed bugs run around and 3 days later they're at your house. So just know, or somebody else's house. Rodents, whatever, bed bugs, don't happen. But surprises like this, just a little bit of mess, we're gonna pack it up. Surprise!